Okay, hello all. Good evening, everyone. For this meeting, I would like to know the progress, all of you, about the task that I already given to each one of you. As we know, and I already accept that your progress, and I already compile it into one file. Therefore, in this meeting, I would like you to explain each of your part one by one to know if our progress is on the line, on the date, or behind the date. Therefore, I will start this meeting. Uh, uh, I will start this meeting. And I will
With
start the
who?
meeting. For the
Okay.
methodology part, I already do the virtual reality concept. As you can see in your screen, this virtual reality, or we call it VR, provide an opportunity for the user to communicate in a three-dimension virtual world that created by a computer. This system, we use it in our proposal and our project in order to make it easy for the student to learning in a learning session because of this COVID pandemic. Okay. For the second one, it's all about the virtual reality room setup. To know to create the virtual reality room, firstly we must know how the room will be set up in order to make all of us can use this system. Therefore, in this system, there are three axes, which is X, Y, Z. Each of them has their own role, and this is so important in this system. Without them, there will be no VR. As you can see in the share, there will be 6 parts. In here, 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 and here. For the first one we call it as an infrared based spatial lighthouse. For the second one is the controller that track by via a infrared lighthouse. For the third one, there will be a head mountain. And the fourth one, this is the most important part, which detect the XYZ coordinate. For the fifth one, the fifth is our area, which is the boundary within the VR headset that we set to the limit. For the sixth one, is the computer that will process all the VR system. Uh, that's all for me. I think we can proceed with the second one, which is Mr. Shafiq. So, Mr. Shafiq, can you tell us about the methodology that you study about?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, yeah, we hear
So,
you. We hear you. Just
okay.
proceed.
Now, this is a way how to set up by VR video by interrupt. First thing, you have to set up the smartphone for VR. The first important thing you have to know that your Android phone meet the minimum requirement for VR. Okay, this is we can say the important thing that in the setting the smartphone of VR. So we can proceed to the step recap. And first thing, you have to make sure your phone and screen size is compatible with the choice of headset. This is important thing. And then set your phone to do not disturb. So when you using the VR, so if you set as do not disturb, there is no noise and some trouble when you are making a VR video. And the second step is about setting up over VR headset. Okay, let's proceed to the get. Make sure you have your own VR headset, which is a headset. As you can see at the in the picture, this is a example of headset. So you put your phone in the headset, and that for the possible for comfort. Make sure you see all the rules when you set up when you adjust the headset. And step three, you must download it and use VR content. This is the app to support your VR in your phone. This is important app where you can, if you Google, you can find a VR demo, watching your own movies, creating movies around the world, discover and others enjoy. Okay, we proceed to the certificate. If using a VR, follow on its instructions to go to the Oculus Store. If not using the VR, download Google Cardboard app and enjoy the store. Explore Google Play and VR store for content. And make sure to, you connect it with the app so we can use the VR and attach your phone to the app asset. Then adjust the asset where possible for comfort and optimal experience. Okay, that's at step 3. And then the final step is difficulty and thing to remember. You must this is an important part where you must alert about your battery, because when we are using VR video, there's a lot of battery are using, so a lot of battery of your phone will losing in this VR content. And don't use for extended period of time. Make sure you have a set time of VR. So don't it's 3 hours, so make sure it's 3 hours, and then it's 4 hours. Make sure there are 4 hours of VR. Okay, and then we are proceed to the process. This is Michelle will be listen about this.
Okay, hello Michelle. Michelle, are you there? Are you there?
Yes. Okay,
Okay,
now
okay.
I will proceed with my part, which is the flow chart. So you guys can hear?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
we
so
can hear you
okay.
clearly.
So for our project we are using VR, so it's also known as a visual reality. So my first step is using the first step is start, means we start the VR system. Okay, and then after starting the flowchart, we will proceed with it will show the concept of the VR. Means that what is VR and how we function, the procedure it will show. And then next step is the implementation of VR concept in study the field. So what we focus in our field is recharging process of the refrigerant. Okay, next step, followed by the development in applying the concept of VR, which is divided into 3 categories. So first of all, we go to the students. So the student development in using the concept of VR. Second is the own VR system, the how it function, and then the third is the laboratory, how it will show the process. So if the VR system it is successful, it will show the actual process of the recharging step by step. It will show exactly on the monitor, and you can monitor from your phone, also from the connected device. So if the VR test is failed, so we will go back again to the concept of VR. Means we will restart the program and see whether the program is available to start for the VR system or not. So that's the main part for my flowchart. Okay, that's all. Now I'm going to pass it to my teammate. Hello. Okay.
Okay, Umar.
Hello.
For the flowchart, you can proceed for your part.
Hello, guys.
Yes,
Can you
yes,
hear
yes,
me?
we can hear you. We can hear you.
Hi.
Hi. Yes,
Next.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
I've already finished my part.
Okay, okay. Umar, you can proceed now.
Okay, hello guys,
Okay,
and long time no see. Okay guys, today I will present about the gun chart and the milestone.
Hello, guys. Next is Omar. I will pass it to
Yes.
Omar about the Gantt chart.
All right. Okay,
Could you guys
guys.
hear me?
Yes. We can hear you, Michelle.
Louder, please, Mr. Umar.
Hello,
Okay.
can you guys hear me?
Okay, you all can hear me? Okay. For Gantt chart, firstly, this is what we doing during this project, and before this we do project briefing where we do at first week, second week, and third week, and project team selection. We make the discussion for our project, and we send our project proposal to the doctor, and we do the project costing discussion and VR methodology, and lastly we will do the application for the project. Gantt chart is represent our activities that we do, and they will have a plan duration and the actual we start when we start and when we finish our job. Okay, next. Can Shah show the milestone, Sharon? Okay, guys, and this is a milestone and the date that we need to follow by the date that I present to you, and you can see the slide. By completing the project briefing, we need to do in August 2020. By complete the project team selection in September, completing the project costing discussion in October, and we need to complete our project proposal and the flowchart for our project in November 2020. And that's all from me. If you all have a question, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you all for your effort. Okay, as for now, I'm satisfied with your performance and all of your submission. We will meet again in the next presentation, and I will definitely give you another task to do, and I hope you are ready for that. Okay, for now, that's all for today. If you all have anything else to ask, just ask me directly, and I think I will stop here. Have a nice day, all of you, and good night. Stay safe, and also together we will fight COVID-19 and end this pandemic. That's all for today. Thank you for all of your time and your cooperation. I think we can start now. Thank you all.
Okay, stay home, stay safe, everyone.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for being the host today and guiding for our project, Shahiran.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.